Hello, this is Andrea. Great that you are here again. Today I'll show how you can do half double crochet. This is the US term. The UK term is half treble crochet. In my videos I pay attention to both terms. First I'll show you how to do a half double crochet, and after that I'll show you how to do half double crochet in rows. Let's get it on. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again. Now pull the yarn through all the 3 loops on your hook. That was your first half double crochet. Once again. This way you can make as many half double crochets as you need. And now we want to start a new project with 10 stitches. I'm doing 10 starting chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And now I need 2 further chain stitches. 1 and 2. These are my turning chains. By the way, turning chains are normal chains that we make at the beginning of a row to get the correct height for the next stitch. We skip these 2 turning chains and make a half double crochet in the next stitch. Here I use the upper loop, but you can also take the bottom loop. The main thing is that it is consistent. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. To start another row, chain 2, 1 and 2, turn. I skip these 2 turning chains and I make a half double crochet in each stitch. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here is our last one, number 10. In the next row we start with 2 chains, 2 turning chains. We skip these turning chains and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And when your project is finished, cut the yarn, pull the end through the loop of the hook, tighten the yarn, and now you can wave the ends. I hope this video helped. Feel free to like and subscribe. I love you, Andrea.